What up guys? It's Monday, starting this week off right with some handyman work. Headed right now to replace 4 motion sensor lights just on each corner of the house, and then I have a little irrigation leak right after that. Won't be able to video much today due to clients liking to talk to me while I work, which there's nothing wrong with, but I'll keep you guys updated. Let's get into it. I've already left the job where I installed the motion lights. Everything went smoothly there. Now I'm at my leak job. I've already located the leak. There was a tree cut down and stump grinded, and when the stump was grinded, the leak flared up. The lady called the guy back who grinded the stump. He didn't answer or call back. Technically, he broke the pipes while grinding the stump, and he really should make it right by fixing it, but he's not interested, so my name was recommended to her to come fix it. Of course, I don't have any fittings on the truck, so gotta run to Lowe's real quick. Gonna buy, multiple couplings, multiple elbows, and a long piece of pipe, so I have it for next time. Leak fixed. I was able to bend the pipe on the lower 2 ones to just use regular couplings, and then I didn't have much wiggle room on this, so I use this union right here. About to cut the water on, make sure it's not leaking, make sure the heads are popping up and everything, and get out of here. Finished up that irrigation leak. Everything went smooth there. Got a call on the way home from my buddy that owns that landscape company. He had knocked out a piece of glass that was in a door, which is an insert. So I went by that house. Turned out the homeowner had the exact insert to go in because years previous he had wanted to replace it, never got around to it, and it just happened to be the one that my buddy knocked out. So I was able to switch that out really quick. I'll show you pictures right now. So it actually worked out perfectly that the homeowner had the insert to go in. I was able to replace it for him. Everyone was happy. So let's get into today's video title. I posted a tailgate talk a few weeks ago asking if I should change my YouTube name. You can go to that video and watch why I wanted to. I'm not going to get into all that right now. But I got a lot of positive feedback from you guys, a lot of comments. Really appreciate that. Basically, all of them were supporting either way, but kind of encouraging to keep the Dean and Done. So that's what I'm going to do. I feel good about it. Got y'all support, got some family and friends support, so I feel really good about the Dean and Done. It is catchy, and we're sticking with it, baby. So I guess I could just give you guys a little update about what's been going on in the world of Dean. Still working with a heat and air guy. I've picked up with him recently due to him just being super busy because things are coming in, and I took some personal time with family. So I've been really busy with him. I've been cutting back a little bit on the Dean and Done side of things to give him some extra time, and really just some big projects I turned down, like this big log cabin painting job. I was going to have to rent a boom lift to lift me up 3 stories to paint it, and I was going to go for it, but I ended up not going for it, turning it down. Felt 100% comfortable with not doing it, had perfect peace about it, and I didn't lose any sleep on that, not doing it or turning down the job. In fact, I probably would have lost sleep if I took the job just worrying and stressing about it. Turning down some bigger projects as of right now, or pushing them out into the fall. Most people that want bigger things done, I'd tell them I'm a little further out right now. Because I just don't have the time to take 3 days to do things, which is perfectly fine. I'm cool with the day to 2 day jobs because I get in, I get out, and I get paid. It's personally how I like it. Today was a good handyman day. I got another good handyman day tomorrow. I did 3 things today. I really like running around, doing things, not being in the same place at the same time, like 9 to 5 job. I just don't like that type. So I definitely like the running around. I got some porch railings to paint this week. I'm gonna hopefully video that and do a little time lapse maybe, which is actually the porch railings that I did in a YouTube video that I way underbid. You can go watch that video. That's a pretty good video. I'm just ready to knock those railings out because it's just been kind of hanging over my head. I have not been paid for the painting portion, so at least I'll get a little bit of cash after that's done. So just gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. Looks like the bottom's about to fall out here. I like these tailgate talks. I got some positive feedback with those as well, so I might do these every now and again. Still planning on posting once a week towards the end of the week. Let me know how you guys like that. Thank you guys for the support. Keep coming back. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. See you. see you in the next video.